Hi, Dave here from DRD Allotments. Today I'm going to give you a little tour of what we've done over the last couple of weeks. We're getting down here because of work. We're not getting down as much and doing as much as we used to. So basically we're just coming down, doing a bit of weeding, keeping it up, keeping what plants we've got in. So I'll give you a tour of what we've got done up to now. So back in the tick. Alright, I think you have seen the shed when we've done knocked that. It was all the way up to there. That green bin is full of fresh water, which we're carrying doing every time we come down. Okay, in there where carrots are growing, which you see were put in, and they're starting to grow now, so remember that. Yep, and here we've got peas growing. There's some growing along there, and this is the pea tree and that. We'll come into our greenhouse. Tomato plants, cucumbers, beetroot going to be grown in there, and peppers and cucumbers over there. So that's what's in the greenhouse up to now. That's our little wasp trap. What Rob brought in from garden place he works at. We're coming along here, and we'll have Swedes. I can't remember else. What else is in there? No. Swedes are growing broccoli, and I think there's some cabbage in there. That's our lettuce. In here we've got leeks, and I am going to put some beetroot in soon. Along here, that's our onions. Now Danny was weeding that onion bed, but he hasn't finished it. We're strawberries up here. We've got a strawberry cage which is going to get the cover on soon before the birds eat the strawberries. Sunflowers on here, which looks like we're getting successes, yeah. Last year the flipping there didn't grow. You're probably going to have to cane them soon. Rhubarb up there, but we've picked some of it, so there's not as much as it was, but it needs tidying up there. And this is our tatty bed.
And we've got the apple tree going.
And we've got an apple tree up here. I'll just take you up to show. Got an apple tree here, which is starting to fruit a little bit. We didn't expect, but we're getting some little apples on. We're going to have to stake it up a bit more because it's dropping a bit, so it's something we were supposed to do before we got. So, and I'll give you a shot down the allotment down. Now, I didn't want to show you over there. Oh, there's just rubbish. But there's a shot down of where we'll grow and all that. So we're doing well, so hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll do another video in the next week or two, maybe showing you putting some more stuff in if we've got anything more to put in. So bye for now.